Hi, how to share a post from your business page to your personal profile in almost August 2021 with the new page look. This is a video for Adam from a question on my YouTube channel, Catherine Aird Social Media. So what happens is that with the new page look, you have to look if you're interacting under your Facebook business cover image, if you're interacting as yourself or as your business. If you are interacting as your business, see, if I click here, it's going to say I'm interacting as Catherine at social media. If that is the case and I try to share a post, it's going to only allow me to share it to a group or to share it to a page. However, if I switch who I am interacting with, so in this case, I'll go to interacting as my personal profile. And if I do that and I click the share button, I will be able to share in a friend's timeline, share to a page, to a group, share now, and share to newsfeed. So for example, I can go here and this would be shared to my personal profile. I hope this helped. Thank you for subscribing and make sure to follow me on social media. Catherine Aird Social Media, catherineaird.ca. Thanks, bye.